Imagine bringing your wildest ideas to life with just a few words. That's the magic of Sora AI, and today we're diving deep into how you can harness its power to create stunning videos first. The cornerstone of any Sora AI creation is your text prompt. Think of it as your script. But for visuals, be as descriptive as possible instead of a dog running. Try a golden retriever joyfully bounding through a sun-drenched meadow, with its fur catching the light. Experiment with details like camera angles, close-up shot, wide panoramic view. Specify the mood: playful, mysterious, epic, and don't shy away from artistic styles in the style of Van Gogh, cinematic lighting, sketchbook animation. Once you've crafted your prompt, feed it into Sora. The AI then interprets your words and begins generating video sequences. You'll likely get a few options. This is where the refinement begins. Review each generated clip carefully, looking for how well it captures the essence of your prompt. Is the motion fluid? Does the lighting match your vision? If a particular shot isn't quite right, you can often retrace your steps and tweak the original prompt, or ask Sora to regenerate that specific section with slightly adjusted parameters. For instance, if the dog's gait isn't energetic enough, you might add with vigorous leaps to your prompt for that section. It's an iterative process. Think like a director, guiding the AI to achieve your desired outcome. Pay attention to the timing, the transitions between shots, and the overall coherence of the narrative you're building. By understanding Sora's capabilities and diligently refining your prompts and outputs, you can move from a simple idea to a compelling, visually appealing video that truly stands out. Start experimenting and unlock your creative potential with AI.